We have another evil, which is people saying, for example, fingers crossed. This is what people say, Muslims. I've heard Muslims say this, touch wood and fingers crossed. Wallahi, I've heard Muslims say this. They don't know what they're saying. Allahu al-Musta'an. You say, is everything okay? They say, touch wood, everything's okay. So let's hope it works. They say, fingers crossed, it works. Do you know what you're saying? What does fingers crossed mean? Basically, it's referencing Jesus Christ being crucified on the cross. And touch wood refers to what I've been told, the crosses that people would wear around their necks was made out of wood. And to avert any difficulty, people would hold the wood, would hold the cross, which is made out of wood. Touch wood. And Muslims need to be aware. Subhanallah. These words shouldn't come out of a Muslim's mouth, my dear brothers and sisters. We need to be aware. And we need to educate people when they say this, that this is wrong. This is wrong, you shouldn't say this. Seek forgiveness from Allah. Yes, if you're ignorant and you didn't know, then it's not you're not sinful, but you are sinful for not finding out. You are sinful for leaving yourself prone to accepting practices such as these. Leaving your aqidah, your knowledge of Islamic belief so weak. We have a responsibility. This is from the knowledge that every Muslim needs to know. This is not from the knowledge that is specific to the scholars. You must understand this. Yes. When the scholars say seeking knowledge is farad kifaya, it's a communal obligation, meaning if certain elements in society go and learn it, the obligation is lifted off the rest. They're referring to a segment of knowledge. Because knowledge is of two types. Knowledge which every Muslim has to know. And that is compulsory upon every Muslim. It's not a communal obligation. It's compulsory upon everybody. And then we have knowledge which suffices if members of the community go and learn it, like the ulama. Whereby the layman or the laity can go to them, to the scholars or the clergy, and seek clarity when they need that knowledge. That's fine. But there's certain knowledge which is compulsory on all of us. This is from that knowledge, my dear brothers and sisters. If you don't learn it, you're sinful. You're sinful. Yes, you might say, I didn't know, so I'm forgiven, I'm excused. You are excused, but inshallah, but you're sinful for not making the effort. Seek forgiveness for that as well. And this should inspire us, brothers and sisters, to really make it a point in our lives to go and study Islamic theology properly. At least the basics, that which we need to know. I'm not talking about the extended matters like refutations and so on and so forth. Yes, that can remain with the scholars, but that which keeps you founded upon the straight path and keeps your practices sound as well, you have to know this.